What can I help you today? April? Okay, sign in please. I'm gonna take your temperature, okay? 96.9. You can write at the end for me, please. And pedicure today, right?
Yeah, either one. We're gonna get my nails and my stuff, but either one.
Okay. You can pick the color and have a sit, and should be right with you.
Okay, thank you.
Hi Jennifer, this is Catherine from Uptown Gallery and Nails. How are you?
Yeah, fine, thank you.
Good. I just want to confirm your appointment at 12.
Yes, I'm on the way. I'm about 5 minutes away.
Okay, thank you, Jennifer. I'll
Thank
see
you.
you in 5
Bye-bye.
minutes. Bye-bye. Or your mom's phone number?
I put hers in, yeah.
Okay. Did you put the right phone number?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead and insert your card. You want a copy?
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye. Hi, Jennifer. How are you? Oh, you filled this out already, right?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and sign in for me, please. I'm gonna take your temperature, okay?
Okay.
.1.
Okay.
I haven't seen you since I did for you the last time when we
I
first
know, but
opened.
I've been coming.
Okay.
Yeah, been
Maybe
wonderful.
I'm not been here.
No, you haven't. I've been
Okay.
coming early Saturday morning. So.
Okay, good. Pick out the color for
Okay.
me, please. Be careful. Maybe your toe's not dry yet.
No, I just didn't put the slide all the way in.
Okay. Just be careful. How's everything?
It is good.
The total is 60 today. This is 50. So you want to put the rest in the cart, right? Okay. May I see your ID if you do have
Oh,
one?
yes.
Okay. Thank you. Would you like to join our reward program? You just need your phone number and email address. And every time you check out, just put in your phone number.
Okay.
Go ahead and put it in. Okay, it's gonna be $10 in the card, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, Indigo. This is our card. You can call or
thank
text
you.
us for appointment.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
Thank you. Have a nice week.
You too.
you know what color you want?
I think it's something like this. It doesn't have to be exact. I just was, if we can get some. Oh,
This one?
yes. If we can get some kind of white or light for the toes or light peach
Okay.
or something.
Toes gel.
Yes, please.
Okay, you can have a seat and I'll be right with you.
Okay, does that work?
Right here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Tony and Ann.
Okay, great.
How's everything?
Good.
Go ahead and put in your phone number, please. Venmo or card?
I'm gonna do that now.
Okay. 48. You have a $5 off. Do you wanna
I just
use
paid.
it today?
No,
Oh, okay.
I'll use it next time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. Good. What can I help you today?
I have an appointment at 12:30. I'm a little early.
Okay, your name?
Karen.
Okay. Sign in for me, please. Okay. I'm gonna take your temperature. Okay. Sorry. 95.5. You can write here. And is this your first time here or you came here before?
No, it's my first time.
Okay. Thanks for coming today. Okay. Can you also fill out this form for me, please? Today is August 3rd. I can tell not looking at it. So what you have on your nails right now?
It's dip.
This is dip. And you want dip again, right?
I want to do like,
The color, the white color?
well, yeah, the white color, like, I think, but I just don't know if it's strong, or is the dip stronger, or is the gel stronger?
The acrylic and gel, you mean?
Yeah,
The acrylic and gel is stronger.
it is.
And that is for people who do hard work, who are hard on their nails.
Yeah, I'm hard
Dip
on my
is
nails.
for natural.
Yeah, see, this
So-
just, it seems like they just wear really easy. You know what I mean? Like, they don't seem solid. They seem soft. I usually get gel and acrylic is what I usually do.
Okay.
And I tried this.
So you want to be harder on
Harder.
thicker or what?
Just hard, just
Harder,
more durable.
stronger,
Yeah.
not more durable. Okay.
I think the white would look pretty.
Okay.
White or like the pink and white ombre.
Ombre?
Yeah.
You want ombre?
And then I sent a design to y'all. I think it was to you
Okay.
for my toes.
Let's see.
And I wanted the ballerina,
Okay.
medium ballerina.
Right. And what kind of color on your toes?
It's like a, I sent a picture.
Gel or regular?
Oh, we'll do gel.
Gel.
My husband dropped me off.
Okay. You can have a seat, okay? What can I help you today?
I have an appointment at 1.
Your name?
Abby?
Abby? Okay. Dip and pedicure, right?
And wax.
Wax. Regular or gel on the toes?
Gel.
Gel?
Mm-hmm.
And you want matching?
Yes.
The dip color is right here. The one in the rectangle one have matching color.
Do you have a restroom I can use?
Yes, all the way down to the right.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. How's everything?
Perfect.
Thank you. Go
How
ahead
is
and
it?
put in your phone number.
Yes. How is Hannah and Angela?
They're doing good. Hannah, she take off because she have to take care of her parents.
Mm.
And Angela is still scared of the COVID, so she decided to stay home until the rest of the year.
Oh wow.
She's supposed to come back like 2 times already.
Yeah.
Card or Venmo?
I'm just gonna do card.
Okay. 86 for you today, okay?
I'm gonna make an appointment for my grandma.
Okay.
While I'm here.
Copy?
No.
When would you like her to come in?
Next Monday.
The 10th?
10 for her toes and 11.
You want different time for...
Does Joe have time at 10?
Okay. I'll do Ethan at 10 and
Okay.
Joe at 11.
Yeah, that's fine.
Or you want 9 and 10?
No, we'll do 10 and 11.
Her phone number, please?
281-610-2852.
Okay, 10 and 11.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Do you have a matching color for this one, for my
Yes.
toes?
Yes.
Okay.
Gel, right?
Yes.
405. Pyramid 405. Where's the one that I already get for you? I dropped it somewhere. Okay. Pyramid 402.
405?
05.
Yeah, 405.
Okay, and eyebrow. Okay, have a seat, please. Okay, sign in for me, please. Your name is?
Victoria.
Okay. Dip powder?
It was gel.
Gel manicure?
Yes.
Okay. And you want a pedicure as well?
No, thank you.
Okay. Gel color on your left, okay? You can pick out the color.
All of these.
Hello, Ethan appointment. Yes. How's everything?
Good.
Good. Go ahead and put in your phone number, please. This color look very nice.
I need to see what time is it tomorrow then?
I'll be able to come early.
What time is it? 12,
Tomorrow, 11:30.
11:30.
You want to come earlier?
You can leave it.
Okay.
11:30 is cool.
It's $40 today, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and put in your card. Copy?
No, thank you.
Okay. You can remove your card. Thank you, April. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you
Okay?
tomorrow. Thank you.